Today we're going to be taking a look inside what's inside of the inverter. First thing you want to do is remove these 4 screws from the bottom. So you get those out of the way. You want to use this Phillips head because it fits perfectly down in there. A lot of you guys don't know what's inside of one of these inverters. I see people on YouTube, they really don't show you what's inside of an inverter. I looked it up, and a lot of people just tell you the diagram of an inverter, but they really don't show you what's inside of an inverter. So, I'm that type of kid who is going to show you what's inside of an inverter. There's at the bottom of it, right here. And there's these 2 end plates at each end of it. You want to remove the screws on both ends. You want to keep them all separate. I know a lot of people say, oh, it doesn't matter. It does matter, because those are a little bit longer. These ones are a little bit longer than all the rest of them. So, yeah, if anyone hasn't seen what's inside of an inverter, today's your day. You're going to see the guts of it. And there's a fan right there. You want to remove the 4 screws on this end before you get to the other end where the fan is. So, there you go. One end done. When I get the other end where the fan is. So, yeah, we're going to unscrew these screws right here at the other end. Now, you want to keep these screws separate, because you want to lose these screws. Because good luck finding these. These are all black screws. If any of the people who are watching me now are professional inverter technicians, you know what I'm talking about. A lot of guys I know, they don't work on inverters, but alright, it's the last screw. Yeah, I can't get the board out, but basically you get the idea. These inverters are a little difficult to get open. Here's what's inside of the inverter. You can see all those wiring and stuff. There's a circuit board. There's these plugs right there. There's a transformer down there. On the other end here, there's a fan, and you can see where the fan is hooked in to these things. Then here's the underside of that board. You can see all these traces. Each trace goes to a different component. I think this really big trace right here goes to the inverter. It goes to the transformer, I mean. This whole thing is called an inverter, my mistake. And this wire, there's a connection right here. There's a solder point right there. That's for the fan. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.